get down in the creek here. We don't tump over our truck. Wouldn't want to do it when it's raining. Now, guys, just like Monty Python back in the day, we're going to do something completely different.
And now for something completely different.
It's early 2025, and we are going to do some more challenge style videos this year. Today, we're going to find out if Berkeley Gulp are actually better than the real thing. We're at the little creek. I got the Gulp rigged up already. We're going to do a head-to-head battle and see who wins. Super scientific, I know. Y'all drop a comment. Tell me what you think. Who will win? Will the Gulp minnow outfish the worms, or will the worm outfish the Berkeley Gulp? We're gonna track everything from bites to aggressiveness, all of it. Creek behind the house. I got my 8-foot ultralight rod. Hopefully there's no blooper reel here. So I think the water's a little bit higher than last time. Let's start the challenge. Oh yeah, the water's definitely higher than last time. Look at this spot. I was here on New Year's Day about 3 weeks ago. Oh, there was a fish right in front of me. We're just gonna cast right from here. Let's cast 2 bites. Oh, we lost that one. I know that a lot of these fish are small, and that's okay. There it goes, there it goes. 3 bites on a little fish, a little greenie. All right. So I think my bait's too big. I can always cut the size down and make a smaller size worm to match it, but that's the first little fish for the challenge. That's the 8th cast and 3 bites. So let's get you back and let's keep going. Oh, we got one. Okay. 3 casts, 3 bites, and a fish. I can kind of see where this is headed already. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, that fish was in hand. He's gone, he's gone. There he goes. Yep. 8 casts. Well, he got up too. There it is. There it is, little bitty greenie. 6 bites and 2 actually landed fish. Woo! Nice. I can see where this is going. There it is. 10 casts, 8 bites, 4 fish. Granted, they're tiny. That's okay. This is a challenge and a test. Another little greenie. Whoa, go, bye, bye. This is why I wear my water boots, mud boots, and long pants. Not because of the weather. Even though we're having our first major cold front of the year come through. Oh, full of tracks. It's got to be raccoons. Look at all that. That's awesome. Oh yeah, it's probably full of crawdads in here too. All right, so we're gonna be gulping it. And oh man, look at this spot. Man. Oh, I got that one. Stick fish. There it goes. Come on. There it goes. And another little greenie. I know there's some largemouth in here too. I've caught one. He's a chunky one. He's a pretty one. Look at the colors on him. Awesome. There it is. Oh yeah. I'm fishing the exact same places as with the Gulp, and I'm catching fish and better fish. Oh, there goes. Bite, bite, come on. There, yeah, we got him. We got him. So that's 3 bites and 2 fish this time. All right, thank you. Thank you for playing, my friend. Beautiful. Look, get in the water. There he goes. So the Gulp that time, 3 bites and 2 fish. Now the worm in the exact same spots. Let's rig up. Cool, perfect. Come on. Come on. I should catch a fish just because of that cast. So I'm trying to make this as identical and even as possible. I'm casting the same exact spots with the same exact setting on the bobber, on the float. The only difference is potentially the Gulp has the advantage because I'm using it first in these spots. So let's see. Oh, okay, better fish, much better fish. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's a fat one. Look at this dude. Oh, big greenie. Wow. Big greenie. Sweet. Size of my hand. Look at this bad boy. Big green sunfish. Woo! Love it. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous fish. Look at this guy. Huge green sunfish. No, you know what? Yeah, he is a green sunfish. Maybe a hybrid. I don't know. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Yes. GoPro. Stop. So I had 2 bobbers in the truck. Let's go get re-rigged. See if we can't continue the experiment. There we go. There it is. Slightly better fish, maybe. 7, 5, and 3. Sir, whoa, whoa, get back in the water, bro. So did not catch it on camera, but I just caught another tiny green sunfish. So that brings the total up to 13 bites and 6 fish on the worms. We're gonna go fish on the other side of the culvert, close it out. I think we just have enough sunlight left to do it. So let's do it. So I think we just have enough sunlight left to go fish the other side of the culvert. So let's get over there. Everybody needs a garden hose. Oh God, I'm gonna fall down. Hello. 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 That's kind of cool. All right, here we go. Clink. Clink. Came across this little culvert. The results surprising? I don't know. I mean, very limited sample size. We only fished for like 30, maybe 45 minutes. But I mean, the worms completely outfished the Gulp in numbers of strikes and fish landed. So let's get out of here. All right, let's get out of here. Well, at least on this day in these conditions, the worm totally outfished the Gulp. So I don't know what to say. We'll keep on going with our experiments and our challenges, and mostly just fishing and having a good time. So since it's dark now and a cold front's on the way, we're gonna get out of here. So tight lines. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget, like, follow, subscribe, and we'll see you on the water, by the water, in the water, or near the water. All right, let's get out of here. It's a fairly steep bank, but that's what 4x4 is for. That was not a crash. Ow! That was me hitting my head on the T-post. But we got out of there and we're headed home. Jesus, stay up there. Thanks for watching, y'all. Apparently this is not gonna work, so we'll catch you guys on the next one. We're out.